Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video. Hey girl, hey! And in this video, I'm hoping that my gloss, my gloss is doing what it do. Okay, cool, we still in business, girl. So, normally I would take my house coat off and put on something cute, but y'all know my arm is still broke up. So, we're not doing all that. Ain't nobody got time for all that. So, in this video, I'm going to be doing this pretty pink glossy. It's like a nude pink, a muted pink or whatever. This glossy cut crease, half cut crease, half moon cut crease, whatever. Anyway, I'm just going to jump right into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Okay, just so you know, all the brushes I'm using today are from either BH Cosmetics or Morphe. So if it is a silver brush, then it's BH Cosmetic. If it's a black brush, then it's Morphe. It says Morphe on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and prime my eyes. I'm using the Makeup Forever. I'm not using Makeup Forever today. I'm using the LA Girl Pro, and I dropped my cap because I still have only one hand. All right, so I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in, what is this? Medium beige to prime my eyelids. I'm gonna put that all over my lids. And I want a really light base because I want this pink color to pop. And I'm concentrating the most of it on the lid because, like I said, I want this soft pink color to pop. So I still have to be really careful with this eye because I haven't gotten my surgery yet. So everything ain't copacetic on this eye. But the reason that I'm finally able to do a tutorial is because the skin on this side of my face has stopped hurting, has stopped being numb. My eye is definitely off. Like this eye is definitely more sunken in, and it's a bit harder to work with, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. I'm gonna start from the middle of my eye, like if I were doing some liquid liner or something, and I'm going to bring that up. And then right in my crease, like literally right in there, I'm going to bring the other line down and kind of make a C shape. Okay, and just in case you didn't know or didn't see, this is a dark brown color. And don't worry if you mess up the shape initially, because we're gonna go back and clean all that shit up. This is really a lip brush, so I'm just gonna take this lip brush and I'm going to blend the product out. I'm going to take this pencil brush and I'm going to take, so it is, hold on. Okay, so it is this one right here on the bottom where my nail is. I'm trying to touch it. So I'm just gonna trace that and put it right in my crease too, right on top of that that brow gel. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush, and these brushes, they don't have numbers on them because they came in a set, and I'm going to soften up this color a bit. Actually, I'm gonna take this brush and do it because it's fluffier. And you want to take this pretty far out because we're only using, for this whole look, we're only using 3 colors total. And as you can see, I've gotten some in here already, but again, that don't even matter because that don't even matter because we're gonna clean that whole thing up again. Okay, so now we're gonna take this really small lip brush with the dark black in the Morphe 35B palette. You can use any dark black that you want. That's the one I'm using. And we're gonna trace that outline again. And you wanna go ahead and drag it out And you don't have to be perfect with it either, but you do want to make sure that the black gets deposited in this situation. We're gonna take the small fluffy brush and dip it back in the reddish brown from the Juvia's Place palette, and just a little bit, just enough so we still have some color on it. And we're gonna go ahead and blend those two together. So I'm gonna take this small stiff brush and I'm gonna take the concealer that I used, the LA Girl concealer, and that was in medium beige, and just clean up what I messed up. Starting my life over again. Let me tell y'all something. Having my other hand would be so handy right now. Okay. That took some time. I'm telling you, not having one hand is a bitch. Okay, so now I'm going to take this flat shader brush from Morphe, and I'm going to dip into the second row, the first pink in the second row of the 35B palette, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. Okay, now I'm going to finish the rest of my face before I finish the rest of my eyes. Alright, so I'm going to use the darkest shade in here. I'm going to use the darkest shade, and I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to highlight with ColourPop Glow Up highlight. And I pretty much use that one all the damn time. I'm going to take the pencil brush and that reddish brown from the Juvia palette and put that under my eye. I'm going to take this dark brown in the Juvia's palette, and I'm going to take that same pencil brush and I'm going to put this right under my lash line, like right at my lash line. And now I'm going to take ColourPop WeHo, and it's like a lip gloss, lipstick type situation. And I'm going to take that lip brush that I was using to do my concealer. I'm going to use that to apply this with. For lips, I'm just using a beauty supply store, what is this, NK Makeup brown lip liner. And then the same color that I used on my eyes, I'm going to use on my lips. So this is the WeHo, I think that's how it's pronounced, from ColourPop. Girl, my lash is coming off, but you know what? I don't even care because I'm about to take these joints off in like 2.5 seconds. But that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice. And if you enjoyed the video, as always, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I was about to say something else, but I forgot. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Make sure you turn your notification bells on so that you get notified when I do decide to upload a video. And other than that, I guess that's all to say. And there is no more, except, as always, I love you, love you, love you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful words of encouragement, support, the prayers, the good vibes, all the energy that you guys have been sending me during this time, you know, because this is stressful. But we trucking through, we you know, we're gonna be good. I'm gonna update you guys on my condition in the next week or so when I go see my doctor. And that is all there is to say. And there is no more except I love you, love you, love you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. I still hate my hair, by the way. I really still hate my hair.